Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your AT&T transfer PIN by simply dialing port. First, open the phone app on your device, dial port, that's asterisk 7678 and press call. AT&T will ask you to verify your account. Say or enter your 4-digit account PIN using the keypad. Once verified, press 1 on your keypad to request a new transfer PIN. AT&T will then send you a text message with your 6-digit transfer PIN. Remember, this PIN is only valid for 4 days, so make sure you use it before it expires. If it does expire, you'll just need to repeat this process to generate a new one. And that's it. That's how you get your transfer PIN from AT&T by dialing port. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.